Hey guys, it's a few days after the event now. Just wanted to recap and let you know what this video is about. So yeah, it's a day where I was lucky enough to be invited by Zen Garage. Shout outs to Justin, Nick and David Song. I rocked up with a bunch of Kyosho Mini Z cars and a track, a mini JDM diorama kit, you know, the Family Mart parking lot, and I also brought along a Tamiya mini 4-wheel drive track. And yeah, this is how the day went, so hope you enjoy this video. What's up guys? Sorry if the audio is a bit rough. Today is Saturday. I'm running a little bit late. I'm making my way to Zen Garage. So today, Zen Garage, they're holding their end of month meet. I'm gonna arrive around 11:30 and then hopefully some of the boys will help me set up, unpack and be ready by 12:30. The key thing is to set up the Kyosho Mini Z Time Attack Challenge. Hopefully I have everything that I need. Why am I doing this? Why the hell am I doing this? My purpose and goal with Hobby Zen Life is to bring people together, bring the inner child in people, help some of the adults relive their nostalgic childhood. The hobby scene in Australia, it is still there, but it's like a bit of a dying breed. My goal is to figure out how to bring back that 80s and 90s hobby vibe and scene. But it's all about. Okay, shut up now, I've got to focus on driving. Bye. We're here with the guys from Zen. I'm going to set up now. Alright, my stuff is here. I'm going to start setting up. Yeah. The Hobby Zen Life fastest race driver right here. Who is This is the fastest guy in the track so far. Alright, so we've got a warehouse. We got this set up. We got a little mini garage. A little man plan. Track, and now we're gonna set up. Oh, we've also got boys bought some of their drift cars. All right, we're gonna try to set this little track up. I think let's just lay out the bits. It's my favorite person right now. He's the Moto, Jimmy. He's from Boys to Men. Jimmy and Justin.
I like the chill vibe.
Yeah.
It's always chill.
That's what I do, bro.
Except when you walk in then and you just get commissioned to build a bloody mini 4-wheel drive straight away.
Thanks, man. Love you. Made him build a car. Oh man, you're quick. It's not too complex, is it?
Look, I wouldn't say it's a 4-year-old's build.
10, 12?
I think still that would be a bit of a challenge unless they're already kind of mechanically minded. As you go along, you keep manipulating the instructions and they end up facing it a different way.
Oh, I thought you could read Japanese.
I can.
Nani? Bukaki desu ka?
Standard. Is that your standard? That's his standard word.
Timmy is trying to build that. The boys got the track up. What's happening? Thank you so much for putting that together.
No, that's all right.
It's hard, eh?
Well, no, it was just figuring out what pieces we had.
Dan's marking it up so we know for next time.
Great idea.
Yeah, so
I don't
Dan,
know if you've got other pieces. Do you have any other pieces at home?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Because what's happening now,
yeah.
we haven't got a double lane change. So if we put the other lane change in, then all the cars will each go on each lane. So I think that's how the proper races are run.
Yeah.
See, so now you've just got each car in its own lane.
Ah, okay.
Right, which maybe if you're timing it might not be fair.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Alright, we got Dan Costa graffitiing on the track. He's writing "I was here." Dan was a genius. He's marking it up so that we next time we put it together, we know which parts go with which. Yeah. That's why you gotta get tradie friends in the construction. Thank you, bro. My man. Sorry.
Oh yeah, you good, man. You doing, man?
Nice. Look at him. Look how cool he feels. Yo, what's the retail one of those?
15,000.
Nice. Let's move this out, man. What is this? Yeah, he restored it. He's had this since high school.
Really?
Finally built up, saved up enough money, and full restored it. So it's rare to have these like this. Thanks, Tim, for making this. Thank you so much. We're gonna run it.
I don't know. You got battery?
Couple lanes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Over here. Oh shit.
Will it blow up?
It's coming back.
Will it blow up? One goes this way.
If it blows up.
Just give it a quick turn.
Word. Alright, we're gonna see Mr. Tim's creation. Hey, there we go! Nice.
Fastest on the track. Straight out the box.
Good. Hell yeah.
Let me be brutally honest. Most of these mods don't do anything for you guys.
Oh,
You just need to try better, to be honest.
it's true. Like,
Honestly, that's the
he's
thing.
done pretty good. Sorry.
The best upgrade is time on the wheel.
Yes.
It doesn't matter how much money you spend.
Let's go. Whoa. Nice. Bill is analysing the track because he's going to try 3D print some parts. Thanks for coming, bro. Thank you, Bill. Thank you, well, really appreciate it. Oh. Bro, that's quick. What the hell?
Andrew's.
Dude, that goes hard.
Get into the 1 to 10, buddy.
4-wheel drive?
Yeah, 4-wheel drive TTO2.
Damn. So sick. Oh man, I want this, buddy.
You like my Autex Z?
Yeah.
I'll bring the Autex Z out.
This is the one I got from Vietnam. Vietnam represent this one. Can you turn this up? Nice. Alright, how's your car? Is it charged yet? Let's see. Oh, it's still charging. A little bit longer. Not too long to go. Just a hair. These are the lap times today. Bro, you've done the most laps. Me if you're checking out the shop.